What's up, guys? I'm gonna do an unboxing on the Leload All 2 for 12 gauge, and I'm going to start reloading shotgun shells on this channel. It was, if you didn't watch the last video, it was about me custom building a Ranger, which if you watch the video you'll understand why I'm not doing that anymore. So I changed the name to Custom Everything. So this is going to be part of my videos, is showing you how to reload 12 gauge shotgun shells. The same principle usually will go to the same thing as 20 gauge, 410, and 16 gauge, and so on and so forth. But this is the 12. Alright, so I'm working two hands, one holding the camera and one holding the opening up the box. And this stuff dumped out. I can already hear it. All the bushings. Because I've already opened the box already to make sure all my stuff was in there before I didn't have to take it back or whatever. Focus, focus, focus. And yeah, I'm still working on this room, as you can see. Anyway, this is it. Here you got all of your bushings for your shot, for your powder. And I have not used this, like I said, it's an unboxing. Those of you, if anybody asked. You get the how-to pamphlet. Tells you what you got, what it is. And you can read right here of what it does, how it primers, wads, cases, all of that, and converting to other gauge 20, 16, and 12. This is a step-by-step how to use it. And I apologize for the horrible lighting in here. I haven't got the LED bulbs in yet in here. It goes 1, 2, shows you how to do everything. And even if you want to cast your own bullets, Leload also makes their own casting for ounce and 7/8 slugs and double buck. Also, I think their brand's like $30-$40 each for their, but you can get them cheaper. You ain't got to get Lee or whatever. You can get whatever brand you'd like. Here it comes with the hardware to bolt it down, which I'm about to bolt it down here after this video. Well, I'll probably pause the video and then bolt it down and show you pretty much it. This is your resizing ring to resize the brass or steel, whatever. Here's an extra one. You put your shell in here, and you put your wad, and it keeps the wad from expanding. So what you got, these little, if I can get it to focus. So these little frayed pieces of plastic, that's what that's for. Yeah, some more bushings. And this is for the hardware to bolt it to the table. Anyway, there's a screw for some more hardware, and there's another bushing in here that I gotta get out. I'm not sure what that screw is for. Right there, I guess I gotta read the directions a little bit more. But up here is your holder. This goes on top. And when you got all your bushings in a nice neat way, there's your holder. It goes inside there or whatever. That's pretty much it. Well, no, there's some actually I forgot. Okay, this is for your primer. You have that, and you stick that in right there. And you put that little booger right there, and you set your primer in there and pull the lever down, and it primes it. And this is a de-primer. This is where you load your powder and your wad and shot. This is I do believe the front is a 6 crimp, or no, the front's an 8 crimp and the back is a 6 crimp, depending on what style shell you got. And this is to finish out the crimp is the last station. I've never done this, so I'm learning. But you can get all the information online from I think Ballistics Products. I'm not sponsored by them. I'm not being paid by them to mention their name. To get like load data. Here's some load data from Leload. It tells you the shell, what ounce, and then when you find what you got, then you go back here, and then you find what powder you got, and then you just say I'm using HS6, and it calls for a 128. That's going to be 19 grains of powder. Now, if you go to Hogden, where they also have reloading data on their website as well, and it kind of differs from this. But really, you know, it really gonna make a difference if you use this one or theirs. They're both accurate, so you're gonna find that if you go download their load data on their website. The numbers ain't gonna differ by a whole lot, maybe by 1 or 2. Just be careful. That's pretty much it. But I did see on another video of a guy I watch, his Leload machine had a cup down here that actually fit in. It fit in between right here, because right here is where your primer goes. You see how it goes all the way down? If I can get it to focus, see it? But his cup, or the little thing for the D-prime, where your used primers go, that go down here at the bottom, he had a cup or a tray that just rolled out. It was crazy. I figured mine would come with it, but I guess he got a different model or a different whatever. I don't know. That's pretty much it. I think. There it is. But mine did come with this. This goes right here where, I guess, where your primers won't fall out. This little door lifts up and down. That's pretty much it on this video on the unboxing. I gotta go this weekend, and I gotta get my shot, my powder, and my wads. I haven't got none of that yet. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, and I'm gonna have to fix this autofocus on this phone. I got the Note 8, and this autofocus is like every time I move it, you see it'll autofocus, and it takes it forever. I have a really nice Nikon camera, but I gotta get a bigger SD card. And I did build this table today, and I painted it. The white marks is drywall. Getting in this room is about messed up. This table almost did not fit in here, so it did scrape the wall. That's what that white stuff is drywall. But let me know, guys, what you think about the unboxing. And please continue to watch this channel, like and subscribe. There's going to be lots more stuff going on this channel. Not just this, there's going to be other things too. Peace out, guys. What's up, guys? Doing an extended video. This is it. Screwed and glued. Not coming down. It's pretty sturdy. That's pretty much it.